Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. So, we've done basketball, we've done soccer. So, our third sport of the year is gonna be football. Y'all may wonder, what are some of the things we do when we play football? We run, we throw, we catch, and we have to defend other people. So, when you think of quarterbacks, you may think of something like Peyton Manning, Aaron Rodgers, or Patrick Mahomes. So, let's get to practicing. So this is how you want to hold the ball. Most people like to hold the ball with all of their fingers on a spiral because it kind of gives you a guide point of how to hold the ball. But once you get a little more experience, you'll get really comfortable and be able to hold it. But this is the main way I would hold the football. And then I turn around and I'm trying to make a really good throw. So I make sure that my feet are set. I make sure I'm holding the ball. I drop back, take a couple steps, and let it go. Sorry, Alicia. So, here we are at the park, and I'm just practicing my accuracy. Me and James, we set the goal about to 25 to 30 yards just to practice and see how close I can get every single time. Now, as you can see, the first time is when I threw it the farthest. But the next couple of times, my arm got tired, so I definitely missed the goal by a few yards. So even though I missed the goal, you see where the marks are at? They're only a few yards apart. So even though I didn't get that far in terms of my power, they were pretty close. They were a little more accurate. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Always remember that if you hold the ball correctly on the spirals, if you always keep your eyes downfield and you have good footwork, you'll be a good quarterback in no time. All right, thanks for watching.